meeting of these two teams. Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up. They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. Now let's look at the away team. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. That's good link-up play. Sends it forward. It's Messi with the ball. It's Messi with the ball. They've taken it down the wing. And that's a throw-in. Now it's Pogba. Can he get a shot in? Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Oh, what a pass. Good ball. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. It's Messi with the ball. Here's Mane. Volleyed forward. Their passing has been so accurate. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. It's Messi with the ball. Guedes. Oh, it's a clear chance. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Oh, well intercepted. The assistant's kept his flag down, he's onside. Here's Guedes. Oh, nice finish there. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Now it's Pogba. That's good work by the defence, just offside. That's nicely played. They're appealing, but he's onside. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. And they've equalised. And it's hard into the bottom corner. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And they're back in the game thanks to his efforts. They'll push for the lead now. It's Messi with the ball. And we're into stoppage time now. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. We're back underway and all to play for in this second half. He quickly cleared the ball. The assistant's kept his flag down. Great finish. The manager will be really pleased with finishing like that. He'll do wonders for his confidence too. Oh, we need to see that goal again. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Now Lukaku. Confident pass. Nifty bit of footwork there. Good possession. He's onside here. Great chance here. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Pogba in space. Neymar. And tackled well by Varane. Oh, he's onside here. It's Messi with the ball. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. And it's Ronaldo. Played back to the goalkeeper. Volleyed on. Neymar. Well timed then. Great defending. That's good link-up play. Not a good tackle at all. It's Messi with the ball. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. He's unstoppable with the ball. Neymar. Here's Varane. Good distribution. Oh, wayward pass. Normally so accurate with his distribution. It's Messi with the ball. Can he finish it? That's nicely played. Oh, that could be painful. He's headed the ball forward. Here's Mane.
Keluar tuh.
It's full time. It's all over.